Hello everyone, welcome to MS Opti Webcast. In this video, we are going to see the steps on how to configure message moderation for dynamic distribution group in Exchange 2019. In Exchange organization, it may require certain types of messages to be approved in order to meet legal or compliance requirements or to implement a specific business workflow. We can have a second set of eyes on a message before the message is delivered to the recipient. This process is called message moderation and the approver is called the moderator. In short, message moderation is a process that requires that messages matching specific criteria are approved before delivery to the recipient. And as an administrator, a common problem you will face in Exchange organization is users sending messages to large distribution list with unapproved content. By using message moderation for a group, we can define a list of users that are allowed to send messages to the group without moderation. Anyone else that sends a message to the group requires approval by a group moderator. We can use mail flow rule, also known as transport rule, to define the criteria for message moderation. But in this guide, we will change the distribution group properties to define message moderation for the group. In this guide, we will use Exchange Admin Center to configure message moderation. To start, we need to access the Exchange Admin Center. And for that, I'm going to click on Internet Explorer and type in URL https://localhost/ECP and press Enter key to access Exchange Admin Center. Click on More Information and click on Go on to the web page. Let's sign in as an administrator with the password. In the Exchange Admin Center, we need to click on Recipients section and then we need to click on Groups tab. Click on the group for which you want to configure message moderation. In this demo, we will select Surat Users Dynamic Distribution Group. Let's click on Edit icon to edit the properties. Let me maximize the window. On the group properties page, we need to click on Message Approval. Select the checkbox, Message sent to this group have to be approved by a moderator. And next, we need to define the group moderator. And for that, under Group Moderators, we need to click on this plus icon. From the list, select the user which you want to configure as a group moderator. In this demo, I'll select a user Bharat Sharma. Click on Add and click on OK to add Bharat Sharma as a group moderator. If you want, you can also add multiple group moderators as per the requirement. We can also specify the senders who don't require message approval. You can see senders who don't require message approval. To define that list, we need to click on this plus icon. Let's browse our group Surat HR and click on Add. That means all the members of this group Surat HR doesn't require message approval. Click on OK. Let's click on plus again and let's add a user Anand Panchal to this list as well. So we can add users or groups to this list who don't require message approval. So as per the defined settings in this example, we want all messages to the Surat users group must be approved except if the senders are a member of Surat HR group or Anand Panchal. Here we have option to define settings related to message moderation notification. I'm going to select the second radio button to notify senders in our organization when their message aren't approved. Let's click on Save button to save these changes. So we have successfully configured message moderation for our dynamic distribution group named Surat Users. To verify message moderation settings, I'm going to open Outlook on the web. Let's click on Google Chrome. Type in URL https://mail.msoptiwebcast.com/over to access Outlook on the web. Let's sign in as a user Priyanka Bhattacharya. Let's compose a new mail which we want to send to the group Surat users. Let's click on New button. Let's select Surat users at msfdwebcast.com. And let's click on Add a Subject. And when you click on Add a Subject, one notification will pop up. Messages sent to Surat users are moderated. They may be rejected or delayed. Why we are seeing this notification? As we have configured message moderation for our group Surat users. Let's click on Send button to send this mail. Let's sign out from the Outlook on the web. So now the moderator, in our case Bharat Sharma, will receive an email with a request to approve or reject the message which is sent by a user Priyanka Bhattacharya. Let's check that. And for that, we are going to access Outlook on the web using the credential of our user Bharat Sharma. In the Outlook on the web, we can see the message which is sent by a user Priyanka Bhattacharya. Your decision is requested. Priyanka Bhattacharya has asked you to approve the attached message for the delivery to Surat users. Below we can see a preview of the mail. This is the mail which is sent by our user Priyanka Bhattacharya to Surat users. This is the subject and this is the content of that email message. Here we can have two buttons. If you want to approve the message, then click on Approve button. And if you want to reject the request, then you need to click on this Reject button. Here we can see Please respond. And this is the attachment of that original email message. If you want to see the original message, you need to click on this attachment. Okay, this is the original email. Let's close it. In this demo, I'm going to reject this message and that's why I'm going to click on a Reject button. We can edit the response before sending the message or we can send the response right away. In the production environment, you will send a meaningful reason to the sender that why you are rejecting the message. Let's click on Send the response now. And let's sign in as a user Priyanka Bhattacharya. Here we can see that message, test message for message moderation. Your message was rejected by moderator for this recipient Surat users. So in this way, we can set up message moderation for the dynamic distribution group in Exchange 2019 using the Exchange Admin Center. That's all for this video. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.